Hey guys, just wanted to show you all an option for night vision on the cheap here. You get one of these radios that has the backup camera display on it, or you can actually buy just a little display for pretty cheap. This is what I have though on hand, and get you one of these little 12-volt security cameras. So you basically just need to hook it up with a 12-volt battery. I got another one of my battery boxes that I made here. Cigarette lighter connector there. That's what I'm going to be using here. I've got all this hooked up with just a cigarette lighter output, hooked to the positive negative for the radio, and to run the display. And then I've got power wires that run to the camera, and then of course the camera is just connected to the back of the radio like normal. So let me hook this up real quick. Get this set up where y'all can see. There you go. Alright, so there's the camera output there, you see. And now I've got the light on. And there's a reason why I'm doing this with the light right now. Well, first of all, so y'all can see what's going on. But this camera has illumination built into it. It's got infrared LEDs all inside there. So that's definitely handy. And that's what it would be better to have for night vision in particular. So let me turn this out. Now that's with night vision now. Now if you were to mount this on the front of your truck or your car, bug out vehicle, whatever, you could probably be able to see to drive, you know, without your lights on, which would kind of help you. If you got one of those little displays, you could actually make a little rig, something you can carry around with you, like a little bitty display. The smaller the better probably. And you could just have it like mounted to your helmet over one eye. These little cameras, just make sure you get the 12-volt kind, you know, and you want to get the ones that have the NTSC output on an RCA jack. That way it'll hook up right to the backup camera displays. Hopefully this will help inspire somebody to build something like this.